Hey guys, Ryan from Spyker Workshop here, and I'm doing a test run on this 1/6 scale German half track. Check out my most previous video about this kit. You can buy these tracks from me. They're Delrin injection molded tracks. They're much better to scale, and they're like super strong compared to the stock ones. And I also have a motor mount that I sell for this thing, and I'm test running it just with a 3S LiPo right now. So let's see how it performs. So here's a quick stress test of just the tracks running. I got the truck facing into a wall just to see if these stall out or not. And they actually have quite a bit of power to them. I got this drill here just to add some weight to it. A couple batteries in here. Just gonna put this on top of the truck. Seems to have no problems at all with that. So yeah, that pretty much covers the running video. Make sure to check out my other video that I made showing off how to put all this stuff together if you guys are interested. I am selling these as a kit. The tracks, I mean, and the motor mounts. Check out that other video. There's so much more information in there. I just wanted to leave off by showing, this is after the running video, and even on the pads themselves, I was running around on the driveway for a while, and there's like no visible wear even from the cement on this thing. Delrin is super tough, super abrasive resistant. I mean, they use it on gears and bushings and stuff, so pretty strong stuff. And some of the clanking and random sounds you hear throughout the videos was mostly this. When it comes under tension, it'll actually vibrate and hit the top deck like that. And a couple times, some of the track guides during like turns and stuff would, they didn't come close to falling off, but they would, you know, make like a clicking sound. Same with these. I actually sanded down the tips of all the sprocket teeth because they would catch on the inside edge as the wheel's moving, and that too can make some kind of clacking sound. But yeah, let me know in the comments and stuff what you guys think, and thanks for watching.